Cucumber.
Fish? You bite the cucumber?
Open the hatch, Julian.
Open that hatch. Yeah, that's it. Hang on, okay. Okay, cucumber. Oh, yeah. Okay, is it in it? Get the goose, you said? Now, bite it again. Yeah, no, bushy, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, bushy, is it?
Yeah.
Look, it's like commercial. It's a bug. Oh, bushy, is it? Carry it. Charlie. There you go. Okay, take that celery. Celery.